Yo, pretty much right now. I mean, I lost a bunch of audio because I had something plugged into my 3 millimeter jack. But anyway, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Fox Chamber. And what I'm talking about right here is just I'm out test driving Red Fox and letting everybody know how hot it is out here and the actual temperature of the car, and it's riding pretty much where I wanted to be riding at. But it's a nice day out, nice balmy 93 degrees, and that's basically what I'm talking about right here. Yeah, and right here, I'm trying to get you to be able to see the temperature that Red Fox is running at, and it's running pretty good. It's right there in the middle of the temperature gauge. That's pretty much like how I want it to ride, and you can see, and I got the AC blowing everything. And it's running very good right now.
All right, I've been sitting here a couple of minutes, and you can see it's still right there about midway. That's about where I like it at. Yeah, so far it's working good. I mean, the air inside doesn't seem as cold though. That might be an issue. But yeah, it's definitely hot out here in Alabama today. Yeah, we're probably rocking around 90, 93, something like that. It is hot. And that's why I wanted to test this thing. And it's like around 11:30, 12 o'clock. And old Red Fox is dirty because I have been driving it around. Yeah, it is dirty. Ain't the best looking in the world, but I love it. Love it. Yeah, right now it's running good. I mean, you can hear the fan going. I mean, maybe you can hear it on the speaker. I can feel it pulling air in big time through there. Pulling a lot of air through there. On the bottom too. Oh, Shelby truck. Nice. But yeah, it's pulling a lot of air through there, and like I said, I got it sitting at 70% of the fan's capacity right now, and it's running good. So I guess, well, let's check it out. I've been out here a couple of minutes. Yeah, still rocking the same, but take this into account. I don't have anything done to the engine. It's not souped up. I don't have a turbo. I don't have supercharger or anything like that on there. If you have a built motor or anything that you want to use this on, but I am gonna put it on the other Mustang I've got, the 86. I am gonna probably do this same fan setup, and because I like it. Because like I'm saying, it's running good right now. It is hot as can be out here in Alabama Enterprise area, but the fan is running. It's running good, not overheating. The air conditioner is cooling off a little bit, maybe because that's running a little warm, but the actual engine itself is running fine. So yeah, we're gonna get this thing on back to the house, and I'll tell you what's going on with the OG Fox when we get there. I got to moving, and actually it went down a little bit. Yeah, temperature actually dropped a little bit. So yeah, this thing is doing just fine. Well, made it back to the house. As you can see, still rocking about midway. Yeah, I'm digging it. Yeah, so that is gonna work. I mean, I can't stress enough that this is not a boosted car or anything like that. No turbo, no supercharger, no nothing, no built motor, anything. So I just want to stress that, so so you would make your decisions over that. And I'll put the links to everything I got on here in the description below. So if you want to try to do something like this, you can, you know. But like I was saying, I'm digging it. Red Fox is running cool. I've got to do something with the AC though. But you might be able to see somebody, when they painted it, they painted the condenser in there, and that's probably why the condenser, or that's probably why the AC is running not as good as it usually is, because the thing's not cooling off like it's supposed to be. But all in all, yeah. Oh yeah, one thing I did want to tell you about OG Fox. Let me because I do believe, yeah, I haven't even gone to work yet today, so I do believe I'm taking Red Fox on to work today. But I do want to tell you about the OG Fox and what's going on with it. Well, as y'all might remember, walking around in this messy garage, which I do need to clean up, I was going with the Aces high roller system on the OG Fox. Remember that? Had a little video deal that I was going to be doing on the OG Fox, but after, dude, I'm telling y'all, and after months of dealing with Aces and stuff, come to find out, after I talked to multiple people, that system does not work with this car. Doesn't work. The first person I talked to, yeah, they said it worked fine. I ran down what I had. I said I got an aftermarket intake on the car, and everything else is OEM basically. Oh yeah, it'll work with the car. You just got to hook it up. Boom, boom, boom. It'll work. Doesn't work. The OEM computer does not talk to the Aces ECU. So that's where I'm at with that. So we're back to square one. So I sent it back and got my money back for it, except $12. You know, I'm kind of pissed about that. $12 is $12. You know what I'm saying? But I didn't get $12 back for some reason or another. But I got my money back for it, and we're gonna have to find something else. You know, am I gonna go with the Terminator or something? I don't know. You know, because I talked to a friend of mine. He said that's probably overkill for what I got going on. But I don't know. I'm gonna hook back up the original ECU to it or whatever, and see what we got from there. You know, and yeah, that was it. That was the update on the OG Fox, where I was at with it, and that's one of the reasons it's been a minute for me to make any videos. I've been dealing with that, you know, since pretty much before the last video I made, you know, and this, you know, I'm so freaking aggravated. It is just so frustrating dealing with stuff like that. But y'all know, I mean, y'all not brand new to the situations and stuff like that. Y'all people that you got to deal with. But yeah, that's what I got going on right now, and I'm gonna hook OG Fox back up and continue on doing my rear seat delete with it. I haven't started it, but I'm gonna do a rear seat delete in it, redo the stereo and all that good stuff. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Red Fox though, with the 2018 Camaro fan, man, it runs good. I just got to, oh no, that's the one thing I did want to say too, is I know it's going to be aggravating if you get it and you're going to have to, you know, beep up or beep down the little module in there to turn the fan up and down. I know that's going to be a little aggravating, you know, and maybe one of y'all know of a better way to do it where it'll automatically do it. I know it'll hook up to the Terminator system because Walt No from SN95 Power Channel, he has the same system and it works with his just fine. So if you got a Terminator, it'll probably work a whole lot better with that Terminator system. But yeah, that's the only thing you got to deal with, is that if it's real hot, you're gonna have to speed it up. And in the wintertime, I run it about 50% capacity or whatever while it was cold. So other than that, that's gonna be the end of this video, y'all. And I appreciate y'all for checking me out one more time. And if you like that, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and get that fresh stuff when it comes out. And we'll see you later.
Thank you. And good night. 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 And good night.